about commercial real estate, retail, high traffic or stores like that, not residential or multifamily or anything.
I like residential very much. In fact, you and me did a couple of things with residential. And also I love it because it's very safe. Residential is very safe, especially if it's well located, like the properties that we bought at one point. The problem is California went to rent control. And when you have rent control, it can kill your appreciation. And again, that's what I like.
Right.
I like appreciation with time.
Right.
We probably would have the safety of a tenant leasing because of the locations, but our appreciation would be killed with rent control.
And the control of the building.
Yes.
Because you can't take it over and really make improvements that you might want to make, or that you can't really make a property shine. And if your goal is to add value, it's hard to do that when you have to abide by a lot of these the restrictions on who you can have in your property and that sort of thing.
Well, it's difficult to get rid of a bad tenant. You can't. And then if it's a small property like the ones that we were buying, I mean, they were expensive properties for where they were, but you get only one tenant who decides to stay for life. He just killed your appreciation.
Right.
So, that's not part of our business plan. So that's when we decided to sell those, and we sold them at a very nice profit as well, and we traded for commercial.
Come meet us over at signetinvestments.com. There you'll have access to our full podcast and articles archives. Also, if you subscribe there, you'll get new updates sent straight to your inbox. You can also find us across all social media platforms. Our handle is Signet Investing. Thank you, and invest wisely.